Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Pickup Truck Bed Covers is probably one of the most essential accessories for any truck owner, offering a blend of security, protection, and improved aerodynamics that can significantly enhance your ownership experience. Whether you're hauling gear for work, embarking on a weekend adventure, or simply want to keep your truck bed pristine, the right bed cover provides a crucial layer of defense against the elements and prying eyes, making it a worthwhile investment for maintaining the value and utility of your vehicle. Number 5. OEDRO Soft Quad Full Truck Bed Tonneau Cover for Dodge Ram. Introducing the OEDRO Soft Quad Full Tonneau Cover, designed for your Dodge Ram truck. It offers a perfect fit for various models and bed lengths. Its innovative quad-fold design provides exceptional versatility. This cover easily adapts to your needs, whether you need full coverage or quick access. Experience superior sturdiness with 4 built-in crossbars. These provide reliable support when unfolded and help save space when folded. Crafted from a double-layer PVC, this cover offers excellent UV protection and tensile strength. It's built to withstand the elements and protect your cargo. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process. With pre-assembled rails and clamps, you can have it securely fitted in no time, often without any drilling required. Not only does it enhance your truck's appearance with its streamlined design, but it also ensures your cargo stays safe and secure. What we like. This cover offers a versatile quad-fold design, providing excellent support and space saving when folded. Its heavy-duty, double-layer PVC material ensures superior UV protection and tensile strength. If you're looking for a robust and easy-to-install cover that offers great cargo security and a streamlined look, this is a fantastic choice for your Dodge Ram. What people say. The quad-fold design has 4 built-in crossbars that make sure the cover is sturdy and won't sag or flap around. When folded up, it saves so much space. The cover is made from double-layer PVC and water beaded off during a rainstorm. It also has UV protection and powder-coated rails for stability. Installation was shockingly easy, following the included instructions, and the cover was on. It fits like a glove, making the truck look sleek while giving it protection. This cover actually helps with gas mileage due to improved aerodynamics. The tonneau cover works great and is easy to use, whether all 4 panels are down or if only half of the truck bed needs to be covered. When installed correctly, there was no water that leaked into the bed of the truck. Number 4. Cenipar 4-foot by 6-foot Super Duty Truck Cargo Net. This versatile cargo net is designed to help you carry more with ease. It's perfect for truck beds, trailers, and many other vehicles. Crafted from high-quality latex bungee cords, it offers excellent flexibility and can expand significantly to fit your needs. The durable hooks ensure a secure and rust-free experience. Featuring an advanced 4x4 mesh grid, this net prevents even small items from falling out. It provides the proper tension to keep your load stable and secure during transit. Unlike ordinary rubber nets, this one is covered with high-strength nylon for superior elasticity and toughness. It's lighter and easier to handle, yet built to last. With 12 adjustable metal and plastic hooks, installation is a breeze. It quickly attaches to various points, and the included drawstring bag makes storage simple. Made with high-quality materials and manufactured to strict standards, this net offers exceptional durability and performance. We are committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This cargo net is incredibly versatile, expanding to cover a large area with a fine mesh to prevent small items from escaping. Made from durable latex bungee cords covered in nylon, it offers superior elasticity and toughness. If you frequently haul irregular or smaller items and need a flexible, secure way to keep them contained, this heavy-duty net with its numerous attachment points is ideal. What people say. Works great. The elastic cord from the net holds everything in place. It worked perfectly, but it is stretchy, so any size would probably work, but I feel comfortable with this size for most truck beds and it's small enough to store underneath the rear seat in its carry case. It has movable hooks which work great. This cargo netting is heavy-duty with a good amount of weight to it. Looks high quality and I trust it will do the job. Number 3. Xcover Low-Profile Hard-Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Introducing the Xcover Low-Profile Hard-Folding Tonneau Cover, designed to keep your cargo safe and dry in any weather. Its robust construction ensures your belongings are protected from moisture and dirt, no matter the conditions. Experience unparalleled security with our patent-pending clamping system. The easy one-finger release allows for quick access, while the automatic locking mechanism ensures your cover is always secure. Plus, the scratch-resistant hard panels offer maximum theft protection. Engineered for durability, this cover can withstand up to 500 pounds of evenly distributed weight. Its premium materials are resistant to UV rays and extreme temperatures, ensuring long-lasting performance. Get your truck bed protected in minutes with our no-drilling, fully assembled design. Installation is straightforward, making it easy for anyone to upgrade their truck. We stand by our product with a 5-year warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. Specifically designed for the 2019 to 2026 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5.8-foot bed. It sits low profile, allowing full use of stake pockets. What we like. This hard folding cover boasts a sleek, low-profile design that sits inside the truck bed, allowing full use of stake pockets. Its unique clamping and latch system offers one-finger operation and excellent theft protection, while the durable, scratch-resistant panels shield your cargo from the elements. If you prioritize a clean aesthetic, maximum security, and long-term peace of mind with a 5-year warranty, this cover for your Silverado or Sierra is a top contender. What people say. It works with my assist bar. The MultiPro tailgate does not go down automatically because I have the cover tight against the top. So I just give the tailgate a little tug and it opens. It hasn't leaked yet and it's been through plenty of rain. Its super low profile and the center pull line makes it easy to open and close securely. Great fit, looks great, not completely watertight, leaks a little in the corners. Number 2. Xcover Soft Locking Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Introducing the Xcover Soft Locking Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. It's designed to protect your truck bed with innovative features. This cover is specifically designed for 2015 to 2025 F-150 and 2022 to 2025 F-150 Lightning models with a 5.6-foot bed. Enjoy a seamless fit. Experience unique design with our patented innovations on side rails, crossbars, and rear latches. It offers superior functionality and a sleek look. The top-mount style ensures improved water runoff and minimal intrusion into your bed space. It sits perfectly on your bed rails. Our patent-pending built-in crossbars roll up with the cover, providing full and instant access to your truck bed. Haul cargo with ease. Installation is a breeze with our direct clamp-on, no-drill design. You can have it installed in under 20 minutes. What we like. This soft roll-up cover features patented innovations for a sleek, low-profile look that sits on top of the bed rails for better water runoff. The integrated crossbars roll up with the cover, allowing instant access to your bed. If you value quick access to your truck bed, a smooth appearance, and a no-drill installation for your F-150 or F-150 Lightning, this cover is an excellent, user-friendly option. What people say. The cover is easy to install and remove. It keeps the bed dry in heavy rain. The locking mechanism is secure and works well. Number 1. CARMOCAR Hard Trifold Truck Bed Cover for Dodge Ram 1500 to 3500. Introducing the CARMOCAR Hard Trifold Truck Bed Cover, designed specifically for your Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, or 3500 from 2002 to 2008 with a 6.5-foot bed. It offers superior protection for your cargo. Crafted from high-quality aluminum with a robust honeycomb structure and support beams, this cover is built to withstand impacts and keep your cargo secure. Its hard, threefold design is incredibly strong and resistant to damage. Featuring a watertight channel hinge system and durable polymer seals, it provides exceptional protection against wind, rain, snow, and dirt. Enjoy maximum security and concealment for your belongings in any climate. Installation is a breeze with our easy clamping system, no tools are required, and it can be fully assembled in under 15 minutes. It's strong enough to support up to 750 pounds. This hard trifold tonneau cover is designed for durability and long-lasting performance. Ensure you check your truck bed length before purchasing to guarantee a perfect fit. This cover also includes a convenient LED light, making it easier to access your cargo even in low light conditions. It's designed to fit without the Rambox feature. What we like. This hard trifold cover is constructed from durable aluminum with a scuff and dent-resistant finish, offering robust security. Its watertight channel hinge system and snap-on seals provide excellent protection against all weather conditions. If you need a strong, secure cover for your older Dodge Ram that can handle significant weight and even includes a convenient LED light for nighttime use, this is a practical and reliable choice. What people say. Super easy to install. My partner and I were able to get it done in 20 to 30 minutes, in less than ideal weather. Well made. Had a nice heft to it. Construction is quality, time will tell how it holds up. Probably most importantly, it fit very well and kept our truck full of goods, perfectly dry and clean. It's very accurate to say that it's weatherproof. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.